Welcome to Green Lane Masjid's Online Madrassa. We provide Islamic education for students from Year 1 all the way up to Year 11. Our curriculum includes Seerah, Fiqh, Tafsir, Aqeedah, Akhlaaq and Tajweed. Join us as we support and strengthen your child's Iman.
Welcome to our class today, and inshallah ta'ala, today's lesson is all about a very special prophet, Prophet Musa alayhi salam.
Our goal is to nurture a deep love for Islam and for our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, all from the comfort of your home.
Green Lane Madrassa, they attach people to seek knowledge, who Allah is, what our religion is about, so they know how to travel through this earth, understanding Islam, understanding who they are, especially in today's day and age.
My name is Abdullah. I'm here currently in Medina, and I've seen the students start off from the beginning very quiet, very reserved, very introverted, and I saw their journey of them coming up the shelves, asking questions, answering questions, and joining that community of students in the Online Madrassa.
We create a space where love for Islam blossoms, all in a way that's engaging, relaxed, and right at home. For more information and to apply online, please follow the link below.